Going on, Bigfoot World? I'm back out here, guys, at the waterfall. Ain't no secret on this spot. This spot's pretty much already, you guys know where it's at. But I'm out here trying to pretty much see what damage is done, see what they did, see how bad it is, and see if these guys are still here. So far, I just got up in here. it's it's not good. It's not bad, but it's not good either. I'll just show you guys what I'm talking about. Let's get into it, guys. What I mean by it ain't bad, but it ain't good is there's a lot of trees that just cut down. They didn't take it from this spot. They didn't. Don't look like they took any of the lumber. It's just laying here. One thing I don't see is saw marks, and that's old. Looks old, but that don't. There used to be over here. There used to be two big major like arches, great big arches from two big trees. They're cut down and they're laying on the ground. Yeah, I don't know. That's been. I still see structures though coming through here, guys. That tree there could have just fell over. I can't tell if that was a tree knock or what. The double X's are still there. See the double X's up here? They didn't cut them down yet. So that's what it ain't bad, but I see it ain't good either. Because they did do some cut. No, I don't know what that was. Sound like a monkey. Cross between a monkey and a crow, maybe? Trying to see if these guys are still out here hanging out. Any signs of them? It's pretty cleared out right through here. There used to be a bunch of structures up long in here. There's nothing. Guys, remind me Friday Night Live. I got a funny story for you guys. What happened to me this week. I'm still laughing about it. I don't know where my head was that day, but just remind me. And while I'm thinking about it, I'm planning on going to the Bigfoot Symposium coming up June 6th. I'll have more details about it Friday on where it is and what times and all that good stuff. It'd be like a good idea for a little fan meetup or something for you guys come and meet us and ask us questions and we ask you whatever. You know how that thing goes. But we decided to go to one this year. Hopefully you guys show up, all you locals. I feel like there's something over that way. When I pulled into my normal parking spot, there is a vehicle down there, a pickup truck with a sticker in the back, a Bigfoot sticker in the back window. So I might have a little run-in up here. Hopefully he's a good guy. Is that rock on rock? Okay. That sounds promising. Everything's cut down right here. All the structures that was here is gone. Or they're on the ground, pretty much. They're not gone, they're all on the ground. Bear scat. There's some arches there. If they're cleaning up the forest, why didn't they take the stuff? If they cleaning it up for forest, so it don't to prevent forest fires, why didn't they pick it up? Why they just knocking shit down? Cause they got other MOs on that. Ain't no doubt about it. See, all the structures are on the ground. They just took them and knocked them down, cut them down. Moved on to the next one. Now I don't know if they're gonna plan on coming back through and picking the shit up, or like around, go through and cut it and then come back through and clean up. Something running down there. Sound like a little animal. I really gotta watch out for snakes, rattlesnakes and copperheads and shit like that. I was looking, guys, for them boot chaps, the snake chaps for your legs. I haven't found none yet. The Walmart ain't got them. Dick's Sporting Goods don't got them. Like, they must want people to get bit. I don't know where else to look. I'm gonna have to look online. It's a hassle for me to order shit online. Nah, I know for sure something walking up around me. That was a loud crack up there. It probably the dude in the pickup truck. I ain't scared. I'm ready today. It's so beautiful out here, guys. I seen this butterfly. Like, there was like 6 of them all on this one little tiny flower. I was trying to get a picture of it, and I took the picture, got back in the vehicle, started driving here, and I wanted to go back and look at the picture when I got here. It was gone. I didn't even get the picture. That man. And then I was doing like 45 coming in this dirt road, flying out this dirt road, and then this wee little tiny turtle, tortoise type land turtle, was crossing the road. He had his head way up in the air looking at me. Man, I had to lock him up, slide into him. I got out, and then when I went to go try to get him off the road, he jumped at me. Like, he tried to bite me and shit. So I tried to film him, and I only got part of that. Here, check this out. Alright, guys, I must hit this little guy here. Yeah, that's all I ended up getting to that. But you seen how little he was. He was a feisty little prick. I'll try and save his ass, and he trying to tear me up. No matter how cute Mother Nature is, you gotta pay attention to it. You gotta respect it, no matter what it is. Oh, that was a loud tree knock. Damn, I'm always talking over. It probably didn't pick up. It was loud though. It might have picked up. That was a nice tree knock. Close. They're still here. See, there's another one. Way back off in there. Yeah, they're still here, guys. You ain't scaring no Bigfoot off. That's what's up. See, there's one down here. They're all knocking with each other. Why my heart skip beats like that? I should be used to that by now. It's when it's that loud and that clear. It's like makes your heart skip a beat. There's another one down here. Another tree knot. The same one, the third one. Man, I can't even talk. I'm almost excited that they're still here. That's what I wanted to know, guys. Thank you. You ain't scaring no Sasquatch. Freaking cobwebs. I hate cobwebs. I hate spiders. Look at that structure. That's new. They would have definitely cut that out. That tree don't belong here. And that arch right there. Yeah, they would have definitely cut that out. They completely stripped that bark off that tree, ate the bark. Look what they did with the tree. It's pulled up by the root. Yeah, we could either they put these back up. What the hell is that? Either they came back through at night and put these back up, or they didn't make it this far yet. One of the two. I'm gonna keep an eye on it though. They're still here. What is that? Guys, I'm almost scared. Look. Am I getting set up here? Look like bags or something. Now what's that? What's going on here? I think they're building up a barrier and they're saying you ain't crossing this point right here. And I think they'll actually fight you. I got that feeling like they'll actually jack you up if you go. See? Hey guys. You know what I gotta do. I'm gonna check that bag out. That somebody got stashed up in there. And then I'm gonna go and see what they making all that noise about. Oh, that's a big spider. Go ahead, buddy. You have that tree. You look like a bulletproof vest. It is a bulletproof vest. That's Kevlar. I'm not messing with it. What the fuck? Why? You guys got armor nowadays? It's a real Kevlar vest right there. What's going on up in here? Whew. I'm not messing with that. I'm gonna leave that there. I don't need no armor. Ain't nobody looking for my ass. If they are, they're destroying my spots. They ain't trying to kill me. Hopefully not. Now, guys, I've been getting a lot of people approaching me, asking me, I got Bigfoot. You want to go meet him? Come on. Come on now. You ain't getting me out there. There's a footprint in the mud. Oh, does this pick up? Definitely a footprint, 100% footprint. Look at this, like an arrow. Got the twisted up arch right here. Alright, I'm following the corridor. I'm in a corridor for sure. I'm in a corridor for sure. Something disturbing them birds. Something's making them sound like that. Now, what's all this noise about back here? I don't know if that's the little ones making them structures like that, or what. I think I see one. Look in between them two trees, guys. Tell me that ain't a face looking at me. Tell me that's not one right there. Definitely. I see him. I'm gonna walk up that way. I think I see two. Just sitting up there. No. Side of a rock. Yeah, it's the side of a freaking rock. Something really disturbing them birds. Look at them. It could be my culprits. There's the woodpeckers. It could be my wood knockers. What you making all that noise for? I'm trying to hear. Be quiet. They said F off. Guys, I got a funny story for you guys. I can't believe, man, I almost want to tell you guys now, but I'll wait till Friday Night Live. Remind me. I tried to approach a girl this weekend. Just say that much. It did turn out good. I don't know if it did, if it didn't, but I felt like a... No, it wasn't them woodpeckers. That ruled that out right there. There they go with the shooting. But yeah, guys, definitely remind me Friday Night Live. That's going to be a funny story for you guys. It's definitely going to be a funny story. Now this tree here, I remember well, it had a bunch of structures all the way around it, like over there. It still left all this stuff though. It might be the Bigfoot moving shit around. It very well could be. These gnats are tearing me up. Every time I leave the house, I keep forgetting the repellent. Guys, let me know if you see anything, because I gotta really pay attention for snakes on this run. It's hot, humid, they're out. They're out everywhere. See? Look at that. All these trees right here are like that. That must look like some Blair Witch type of shit. I don't know what that means, but it means something. All these trees all the way down through there is like that. I hear you. I definitely hear you. That ain't no woodpecker at all. I just pulled it, they're still here. Maybe the ones that Bigfoot land didn't leave either. Might have to go check it out more in depth. That's what I want to do with this place. See all the damage that they did, and see if these guys are still hanging out. Yeah, they are. Every time I say that, they say something. They do that shit. Every time I'm like questioning, are they still here? They're out there making noise. Yeah, I'm right here. Come on in. Keeps catching me off course. I tried to roll it out as a woodpecker, but it's not. That's on the ground. That's not a bird. I mean, a bird could be on the ground, but does that sound like a crow to you? It's whistling. It mocked me. It mimicked me. It mocked the shit out of me. Thanks, guys. That put me in a better mood, guys. Look at these leaners. They're still here. They might have cut this shit out, but you're not chasing them off. They're not scared of no human. That tell you that right there. Look at that. With the line going across the top of the X, and then a runner that comes off of it and runs back into that way deeper. That's a good sign. They're not going nowhere. If you follow all this, and we're in the corridor, if you follow this up in from lean to X to lean to X, arches, follow all that back up in, it'll take you up on top to that wallow I showed you. And that's just how you track a Bigfoot. By the signs. This is one gigantic egg. With an X at the end of the top of it. And TP over there. Arches. Something's cracking around me. You think you would see them? Everything's wide open, but they're right here with me, growling. A rock just landed right here. What's up, guys? It's me. Coming to say hi. Two knocks behind me. These gnats are tearing me up. guys. I'm gonna sit here, roll a cigarette up, scare some of these gnats off of me, and go over here and sit and listen for a little while. See what's going on around here. You wanna see what happens next? Stay tuned for the next one, Bigfoot World.